Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about cleaning validation. What is cleaning validation? Similar to the process validation, validation is the process of providing documented evidence that a process consistently yields results which are reproducible. Therefore, cleaning validation demonstrate that the cleaning process provides high degree of assurance that the cleaning shall consistently yield residue levels well below scientifically derived acceptance criteria, usually called maximum allowable carryover. So, cleaning validation ensures that the risk of contamination is eliminated, thereby ensuring patient safety and maintaining the product quality. Why cleaning validation is necessary? As we know, the multiple products are manufactured in the common facility and the equipments are not dedicated to a particular product, and the cleaning process are many times manual in nature. The cleaning process of equipment involves use of chemicals or reagents, and these are the large and close equipments, hence they are difficult to clean. Then both categories of facilities involving API and finished product, it is important to have a well-defined cleaning procedure that will provide assurance that the products are produced without any contamination, and in many cases uh, the different firms follow different cleaning validation programs. However, there are many differences observed between the approaches followed by different manufacturers, which had previously led to many observations during the audits related to cleaning validation. Therefore, cleaning validation, as expected by the agency, is necessary to be implemented. What are key considerations involved during process validation? The key considerations for design of appropriate cleaning methods include the type of cleaning process used, whether the process is manual cleaning or involves clean in place, which is automated cleaning procedure. Then what are the equipment characteristics? What are the material of construction of the equipment or the contact parts, whether there are difficult to reach parts, dead legs or blind spots, and what are the level of dismantling possible in the equipment. Then considerations are also made with respect to product or process design, which include material and formulation characteristics such as solubility, dosage, and toxicity. The next consideration should be made with respect to manufacturing parameters such as the process runtime, the temperatures employed during process, and last one but not the least is the analytical parameters. So what is the desired level of detection and quantification thresholds that should be considered while designing the cleaning methods. So similar to process validation, cleaning validation also involve three phases. Phase 1 is cleaning process design. Here the cleaning procedure design is arrived by complete understanding on the process, the equipment design, and the cleaning agents. A rugged enough process is designed so that it can clean the worst case residue to the level below the cleaning limit. The important elements of cleaning process design are residue characterization, selection of cleaning agents, selection of cleaning process variables, review of equipment design and inspection process, and determination of residue limits and overall acceptance criteria depending on the solubility and toxicity of the product or molecule, and selection of analytical methods, selection of microbial methods, defining sampling methods, and visual inspection. So these are the important elements of cleaning process design. Then we come to phase 2 of cleaning validation, which is called cleaning process qualification. And the cleaning process qualification should include following requirements, that is identifying the worst case products, qualifying the equipment, reviewing utility readiness, for example hot water, pressurized water, etc. Then cleaning SOPs. So at the process qualification stage, the cleaning SOPs must be in place. Then qualifying the cleaning agent suppliers, analytical methods. Analytical methods must be validated during the cleaning process qualification stage. The analytical methods and the sampling plan must be in place for the cleaning process qualification. Then justification for the number of qualification runs must be in place. And creating a cleaning validation protocol is must for cleaning process qualification. And finally, training of the personnel. It's important part of the cleaning process qualification stage. Then comes phase 3, which is continued cleaning verification. Well, it is also called ongoing cleaning verification. During phase 3, the cleaning process is monitored to ensure that it is operating in the state of control. The main aspects of phase 3 continued cleaning verification are ongoing cleaning monitoring. Ongoing cleaning monitoring is performed to identify unplanned events representing a departure from the validated process, if any. Then it is performed preferably when the product changeover is happening from high potent drug to low potent drug. Then phase 3 involves periodic reviews, that is monitoring of the process capabilities. This should be performed as a part of validation life cycle. The identification of this, the intention of this step is to demonstrate that the cleaning process remains in the validated state of control, and if as an outcome of a review recommendation, process improvement or revalidation is required in case the process is found to be out of control. And the Phase 3, continued cleaning verification, also involves reviewing of deviations and changes in the cleaning procedure during the life cycle. So this was all about the cleaning validation and different phases of cleaning validation. Thank you for your patience and watching this video. For more details or more such videos, stay tuned on my channel. I will come up with another video on cleaning validation to cover more aspects of the cleaning validation. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.